Hello guys, welcome to the Wolf, and well, welcome back again, and some quick trade updates right now, and the next opportunities to take a trade and what is going on in the crypto market and all the FOMO and FUD and everything I will discuss in today's video, so stay tuned. Okay, so first, as usual, talking about the Bitcoin chart right now. So as we can see that the price was in a parallel channel and it break out to the upside, and it gave a breakout to the upside, and now it is heading towards up. But the main that I will tell you is that there is a main resistance zone right here also that will act as a very important resistance for the bulls, which is approx 34,200 to 31,300. so this is a very important zone, and as you can see the price is not able to break this zone to the upside. And I also shared a tweet, so if you follow me on my Twitter you already know that here you can clearly see candle losing momentum scenario from the bulls. That means that first this big green candle, then this small, and this more small. So this indicates that the bulls are right now losing in the power. That means their bullish momentum is somewhat getting over. So what this means is that it does not guarantee that okay now sellers will come. No, there are chances that the price will consolidate, and after that either the price will break to the upside or to the downside. But yes, there are high chances that from here the price can turn to the downside. The picture you saw in the thumbnail is this chart right here. So I've drawn this Bitcoin Fibonacci chart from this swing high to this swing low. I've discussed this in my previous short video also, and the main 0.5 and 0.618 zone is coming here. This is a very important zone. Simple analysis right there, as we can see, very important zone right here. And what is happening is that the price is struggling to break it to the upside, because if it does break to the upside, then it can easily go to the one target right here. The 1 and 0 are the very important level of Fibonacci, which is at approx $48,000. But if the price reverses from here heavily, then it can come down all the way up to $15,000 also. But I am not expecting 15k, but I am expecting till 19 or 20k if the price breaks down heavily. Okay, so let's see what happens. But I want to show you something, that as you can see there is a kind of a tweezer top pattern formed on the daily time frame chart. We can clearly see this green candle and this red candle right here. So these types of candlestick patterns are bearish patterns and a trend reversal pattern. As you can see, it is in an uptrend, and there are chances that the price can fall down to the downside. Well, how far can the price fall? So if I draw a Fibonacci level right here from this swing here to here, if I draw this Fibonacci, then the main 0.5618 zone is coming here, this zone, very important zone right here. So it is at approx, I can say, $31,500 average approx. So there are chances that the price can see a reversal till here and can then see a minor support, and if the price breaks this, then it can heavily go down also. Okay, so guys, as you saw some major analysis on Bitcoin and how the price is right now reacting to its major important resistance right now and is stuck in the zone. Same is happening with the Ethereum's also. So right now I'm on the Ethereum's daily chart, and if you can clearly see, earlier it was in a rising parallel channel with this main resistance right here and this main support right here. Well, the price did a breakdown of this channel, and it also gave a retest a few times, as you can see. That means now it made this support as a resistance perfectly. And if I zoom in, you can clearly see that right now also the price is struggling to break it to the upside. That is, it is right now also is stuck in a very important resistance zone. So same with Bitcoin, same with Ethereum, both are stuck right now in the resistance. If they break to the upside, then easy pump but if we see a very huge reversal to the downside, then both of them can fall very heavily. Also, if you look closely, there is also a major horizontal level right now. I hope you can see this right here, which is acting as a resistance. Let me show you. From $1,730 to $1,790 approx. Very important resistance for Ethereum as well, which is right now the current major resistance faced by Ethereum. So just a quick update on Stellar. And as you all know from my previous video, I told you that if the price of Stellar breaks this yellow important zone to the upside with a perfect retest, then I will enter long. And the same thing happened. The price reversed from here for a retest, so I entered over here. My entry price was 0.1120 and my take profit is all the way up till here, 0.1350, and my stop loss is at 0.1054. So this is just a quick trade update on Stellar, because obviously I share every trade update with you guys, and I always take a trade with live you guys only by making a video or posting some tweets on my Twitter as well. And yes, this trade I have entered with a proper risk management and money management as well. So if this trade goes against me also, then also it's not a big deal. I'll recover the amount in some couple of trades only. So yeah, this is a 1:3 trade, risk to reward right now in profits. So yes guys, this is it for today's video. I hope you understand the main analysis of crypto, Bitcoin, Ethereum and my Stellar's trade update as well. And if you want to receive more trade updates and what is going on in the crypto world, then do follow me on my Twitter. Link is in the description. And if you want to trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, Stellar or any other crypto, you can do that on Bybit easily. You can get free $30,000 gift. Link will be at the top of the description. So do create an account for free. And yeah, this is it for today's video. I hope you liked it, and see you guys next time.